Uh, Welcome back again. Today, I will be showing you how to remove the CPU fan. The first thing you need to have is a screwdriver. So after disconnecting all the power supply to the system unit, you you open the rear part of your computer by unscrewing this screw so as to refill the components inside. Then once it's open, you locate where your fan is. In our case, it's here. So we disconnect all these wires so that it can give us some room to work on. And for our case, we are using some an older version of this RAM. These are fan. So we release all these clips. Then we press down to, to release these clips, and you do the same thing also to the rear part. And the connection also. And here we have fan, CPU fan. And as we return it back, we align this side with the CPU slowly and carefully until it's in position. Then you press down on your clips gently till your clip is on. And then you locate your connector to the motherboard and you connect it back. And our connection is done, so we can close our system unit. Secure it back with our screw. Make sure it's tight to keep it safe, and we are done.